Oh, you look so cool. You got to take a picture next to the pirate. Oh my gosh. Yep, sit on that bench. Scooch close to him. Get closer. Look at you, got a hook hand and a sword too. Okay, look at Mama. Elroy. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Hi, Archie. Oh, do you want me to take your backpack off?
That's it too.
Or can I take a picture without your glasses on for a second? Okay. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Elroy, look at the phone. Look up. What do you see? What else do you see?
See water and a couple people.
What else do you see?
And yeah, people eating ice cream.
You see people eating ice cream?
And people sitting down.
What else do you see? What else do you see? What do you see in the water? What's in the water? Over here. Do you see the pirate ship?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Come on. It's beautiful up here, yes. I'm filming him real quick.
Forgot the shave this morning.
So cool, hey? You were up there. You were just up there. Now you're down here. You excited? Look at your mustache.
I got it.
Hey, Elroy, tell the camera where we are.
Good moment. Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Captain Steve. Coming down the stairs, we have the wonderful Carolyn the Pirate.
Hi.
We are here at Pirates Hideaway. It's a beautiful Saturday.
We're moving. Say bye.
Ahoy, mateys! We are underway. Are you guys ready? Awesome. Well, we don't want to get stuck at sea with a quiet crew. So, on the count of 3, I need you all to give me your best arg, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Arg!
Where are we going, Captain?